Good morning, my name is Alejandra Gonzalez, Coca-Cola Company. I choose this company to express my opinion and disagreement due to the large amount of plastic used in the beverage package. What did I write to this company? Because state about there has been a great concern about the pollution that comes with the production in high quantities of plastic matter that is extracted from natural resources such as cellulose, natural gas, coal, and oil, among other components. Due to this, it's necessary to highlight that many natural resource operation is a problem that is increasing as new companies dedicated to the production of plastic emerge. As less as, as unless initiatives are taken to protect natural resources, subjections or changes, it's important that environmental plans are implemented to prevent and reduce the consumption of plastic, since it's generating critical impacts on the environmental. It's complying with Article 8 of Natural Costs of natural resource in relation to the pollution and water sources. Thank you.